2. Let's hope this is oriented the right way. The diagram shows a graph of y equals natural constant to the power of x over 2. So this. And so a person wants us to find the coordinate of the point P where the graph meets the y-axis. And so this one is pretty easy. Oh goodness, camera please. Essentially over here we already know that it wants y equals, let's see. Oh my goodness, let me just hold the camera there so I can focus. Y equals e to the power of x over 2, right? And so over here, just like it's just where it meets at the y-axis, so it just only has y. What is y when x equals 0? When x equals 0, then it's e to the power of 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. So because that the coordinates are very simply just 0, 1. Alright? And after that, the shared region between the graph and the x-axis bounded by x equals 0 and x equals the natural log of 2 is located through 360 degrees about the x-axis, is rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis. And so it wants us to write down an integral which represents the volume of the solid obtained. So this one's just simply, once again, we start out with pi. And then after that, we go integral 0 to natural log of 2. And after that, e to the power of x squared is actually just e to the power of x. And then after that, the antiderivative of e to the power of x is just e to the power of x. So that works out quite nicely. And so because of that, part C wants us to show that the volume here is pi. And so because of that, though, you just end up with pi. After that, if you want to just only plug everything into here, ex, natural log of 2, if we insert that into here. Sorry about the little jolt, the camera sort of messed itself up again. But essentially though, we have e of x over here, and after that we just had to plug these things in, and so that's just simply pi times e of x, and then if you insert x with natural log of 2, then e to the power of natural log of 2 is just simply 2, and then e to the power of 0 is 1, so we have 2 minus 1, and that equals, and times pi, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1 times pi equals pi, and thus that is how we show that the volume is just simply pi units cubed. Oh wait, no, pi units cubed, and that is it.